In this video, we'll guide you on how to add a client and start your appraisal process on our platform. From the dashboard, locate the Add Client button at the top left corner of your screen and click on it. Now, enter your client's name in the provided field. Once you've done that, click on the Save Changes button to add the client. Once your client is added, the next vertical frame displays a comprehensive list of over 100 Indian banks. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find the bank of your choice. After selecting the bank, another vertical frame appears, showing the types of properties available for appraisal. You'll see 8 property types to choose from: flat, bungalow, land, etc. Choose the property type that suits your appraisal and then proceed to select the method for the property. Each step is designed to simplify the process and ensure accuracy. And that's how you add a client, select their bank, and choose a property type. Next, we'll learn how to easily insert data into the reports.